A 4 kilowatt solar system is usually installed by very few people, but you can install a 4 kilowatt setup at your home in an off-grid or hybrid system. Because if someone needs up to 20 units of electricity every day, then a 4 kilowatt solar setup is considered best for them. Here, you can prepare a 4 kilowatt setup in many different ways. If you want to run a full 4 kilowatt load, then you can use different types of inverters. You can use a transformer based inverter. You can also use a Transformerless technology inverter. Along with this, if you only want to run a 3 kilowatt load but want to install 4 kilowatts of solar panels, then you can also prepare a different type of system. If you want to prepare it with 2 batteries, that is also possible. If you want to prepare it with 4 batteries, that is also possible. If you want to prepare it with lithium batteries, that is also possible. So you have many options here for preparing a 4 kilowatt system. First of all, let us talk about the setup for someone who wants to run a 3.5 kilowatt load but wants to install 4 kilowatts of solar panels. In that case, you can go for transformerless technology inverters, which are available from brands like UTL and Day in 3.6 kilowatt and 48 volt models. We also have a 3.6 kilowatt and 24 volt model on which only 2 batteries are used. But here, you should choose the 4 battery model because you want to prepare a 4 kilowatt system. You can also install a lithium battery on it. And I personally recommend using a lithium battery only because for lead acid batteries, even a 3 kilowatt or 3.5 kilowatt load becomes too much. If you want to run the load by mixing solar panel power and battery power, then you can also use lead acid batteries. This inverter generally costs around 75,000 to 80,000 rupees very easily. And a 51.2 volt and 100 Ah lithium battery will cost around 70,000 rupees. Apart from this, the cost of 4 kilowatts of solar panels comes around 70,000 rupees. And the extra cost for structure, wiring, ACDB, DCDB and other accessories will come around 35,000 rupees. So overall, the total cost of installing this system will come close to 2,50,000 rupees. Now if you want to reduce the cost here, then you can use a transformer based inverter. You can use lead acid batteries instead of lithium batteries. In a transformer based system, the advantage is that your ACDB and DCDB expenses are also reduced because you already get many ACDB and protection devices at the back side of the inverter itself. So such 5 kVA inverters are easily available from brands like Microtech, UTL, Eastman and Luminous. You can choose whichever brand provides service in your area. Their inverters are easily available for around 45,000 rupees. Apart from this, 4 lead acid batteries from a good company will cost around 50,000 rupees and the 4 kilowatt solar panels will cost around 70,000 rupees. Your extra expense here will now come around 30,000 rupees. So the total cost of your system will become around 1,95,000 rupees. That means you save around 50,000 rupees here. But this system is not as efficient as the previous one. Here your power loss will be higher because first, the inverter is transformer based. Second, the battery is lead acid. So during charging and discharging, there will be a lot of power loss. So you should consider whether you are ready for that loss or not. Because in the long term, this loss can become more expensive than the 50,000 rupees you saved. Now, the third option is a 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter setup. This becomes future proof. You can run a full 5 kilowatt load on it. You can also install 5 kilowatts of solar panels. But for now, you can prepare a 4 kilowatt setup on it as well. A 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter is easily available from brands like UTL, Eastman and Day. It will cost around 95,000 rupees. If you want a cheaper inverter, then you can also get one from brands like Celltronics. But again, the same service issue comes here. Always choose the company whose service is available in your area. Many times, we buy cheaper brands, but later we do not get service support in our area. Then it becomes a problem for us. Here, if you install a lithium battery, then your lithium battery will cost around 70,000 rupees. Your solar panels will cost around 70,000 rupees. And apart from this, your extra expense will again come around 35,000 rupees. So with this, your system will be prepared for around 2,60,000 rupees, which is future proof. In the future, you can simply add 1 more kilowatt of solar panels and convert it into a full 5 kilowatt system. Now let us talk about how much load you can run on a 4 kilowatt system. If you use a 3.6 kilowatt inverter, then it can handle a full load of up to 3.5 kilowatts. In that, you can run a 1.5 ton inverter air conditioner along with the other household load. Even in a transformer based setup, you can almost run around 3500 watts of load. Although it is called a 4 kilowatt system, the efficiency there is not very good. So you will only be able to run around 3500 watts of load. On the other hand, if you choose a 5 kilowatt inverter, then you can very easily run two 1.5 ton inverter air conditioners. If you run two 1 ton air conditioners, then along with that, your household load will also run easily. From this system, you can get around 20 to 25 units of electricity every day. It depends on which solar panels you use. If you use N-type TopCon panels, then you can easily get 20 to 25 units of electricity. Also, your monthly electricity bill can reduce by around 4,000 rupees. So I hope you have received answers to all your questions. If you still have any question or suggestion regarding this, then comment in the video comment box. If you liked the video, then like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel. Along with subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos from time to time. Thank you.